Chapter 2. The Little Ones. Ponder a while. Have you seen a newborn baby? Where did it come from? Where do the puppy or kitten or calf or chick come from? Do you know some people who look after the children of others? Animals and human beings give birth to young ones of their kind. All babies, whether of humans or animals, come from their mothers' bodies. The process by which the living beings produce young ones of their kind is called reproduction. Human babies. The human baby comes from the mother's body. A baby stays inside the mother's womb for 9 months. A tube inside the mother's body carries food and oxygen to the baby. As the baby grows, it starts moving inside the womb. When the baby is able to take food and breathe on its own, it comes out of the mother's body. When a baby takes birth, it is an infant. For many months, it cannot do anything on its own. It totally depends upon the mother. Gradually, the baby grows and becomes a kid. At this stage, it is able to eat, drink, and walk itself. Babies begin to recognize their mother's voice even inside the womb, and they usually recognize their mother's face earlier than other people. Animal babies. Some animals like cow, lion, elephant, etc. give birth to their young ones. The animals that give birth to their babies are called mammals. Human beings also come under the category of mammals. Mammals feed their young ones with their milk. Some animals such as birds, lizards, fish, insects, crocodiles, etc. lay eggs. The eggs hatch and the babies come out. Fact trivia. The duck-billed platypus is a mammal that lays eggs. Adoption. Adoption is a process by which a couple becomes the legal parents of a child who is not born to them. Anshuman is a little boy. He lost his parents in an accident. Since there was no one to look after him, he was taken to an orphanage. On the other hand, Mrs. and Mr. Arya do not have any baby. So they came to the same orphanage and adopted Anshuman. Now, Anshuman lives with his new parents. He is the adopted child of Mr. and Mrs. Arya. Fostering. Fostering is a process in which a couple does not become the legal parents of a child, but they take care of the child both emotionally and physically for a fixed period of time. Vocabulary cards. Reproduction. The process by which the living beings produce young ones of their kind. Mammals. The animals that give birth to their babies. Adoption. A process by which a couple becomes the legal parents of a child. Fostering. A process in which a couple does not become the legal parents of a child, but they take care of him or her.